Becoming a coach for young people. Number one, developing a healthy lifestyle. From a very young age, we begin to inculcate habits, and these habits become the basis of how we react as an adult. Number two, family and relationship dynamics. Who doesn't have fights with their family or with their partners and friends? Number three, career counseling and academic skills. We all have been in that state where it's very hard to make a decision in our career choices. And let's not even get into the academic stress that we all have gone through. So these are some very important issues that need to be dealt with. Number four, improving well-being. In general, we need to improve our well-being, mental health, and how to deal with stress and anxiety. Number five, to build resilience. We need to have a skill set and a system to deal and heal from issues that we go through. Prevention is better than cure. Develop internal resources to deal with our issues will help in prevention. And as I said, prevention is better than cure. So many of us deal with depression, stress, and anxiety and go for therapy and go to seek help. Some even get on medications and some just keep pushing it away. We all have our karmic balances to deal with. We all go through ups and downs. Does that mean that we just give up? Does that mean that there is no solution to it? No. The thing is, we need to be resilient enough to build ourselves an internal resource, a plan to deal with our difficulties. The two terms of mentoring and coaching. These two terms are very different from each other. Coaching is a very non-directive approach. It is short-term and it may involve a few sessions, maybe 4 to 6, and it involves self-help solutions. Whereas mentoring is very directive and practical. Mentoring is about having a relationship between the mentee and the mentoree one. So it may be informal, but it is highly professional. And it includes sharing a lot of experience and wisdom and thoroughly working into these aspects. But whereas coaching is a more short-lived process. So in coaching, you have definitive outcomes. So it is very outcome-oriented program where you tell and discuss certain issues with the coach, and you are asked the right questions, and you are made to find the answers to these particular questions. And yeah, that's what I'm here to do. I'm here to ask you the right questions and to help you out. Did you notice that I changed hairstyle in the 3 snippets that I recorded? So, similarly, I'm going to make you notice those small changes, those small patterns, those repeated toxic cycles that you've been through, so as to help you get a breakthrough. So go ahead, ask me why you. 1. Because it is far reaching and extensive. There are so many aspects to deal with in the youth's life, where we can go through lifestyle issues, career and relationship issues, anxiety, stress, depression, mental health, mood changes, how to manage all these problems, how to deal with the stresses of daily life. I have a plan to help you out. Trust me on this. The second one is because early program. If someone had helped me a few years back and told me all these things, trust me, I would have had more resilience to deal with my issues. Maybe my issues wouldn't have been so painful to go through. We're always trying to be the best of ourselves. Guess what? I'm on duty today and I've been working my ass off all day, and I just got some time to sit down and take a little bit of a breather. The key is to push yourself. Make yourself uncomfortable. If you're too comfortable and you're too lazy, then there's something wrong. And you know it because you feel it. You feel it inside you that something is missing. And that missing piece is you working hard. You need to put in that effort. There are no shortcuts in life. You have to work hard day and night. And that's my key. And I've been working hard all my life. And I know that I'm proud of who I have become today. And I want you to be proud of who you are. And I want you to unlock your true potential. So go ahead and sign up for my course because I guarantee you that you're going to have a good time and I will help you deal with your issues step by step, baby steps, because